Hey YouTube, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while since I've posted. It's been about 2 months. Life has been super busy. So I bought a bunch of vinyl. We're gonna redo the back and the seat on this. I think it's pretty good for an irrigation pipe, being super contaminated and dirty as it is. Slowly but surely that rear end is shimmying up. For lack of a better term, for solar ground array mounts. As you can see, we're not in the normal shop. We are in the new shop, and this is part of why I haven't been posting lately, is because I've been working on welding jobs and in here until about 11 o'clock every single night. Life has been really busy, but I thought I'd give you an update on what's taken so long and what's going on. So, this is the new shop. Not nearly as big. Basically 1/3 of the size of the old shop. But it's coming along really good. This wall is done as far as the wall goes. There's gonna be shelving from 6 feet up off the ground to the ceiling, which is 12 feet up. And then this is gonna be all steel storage on this wall. And so there's not any power needed on that wall. So I got it finished as quick as I could and insulated and painted. I still gotta do electrical in the rest of the walls. This wall's built. As you can see, the walls aren't actually even finished on the inside. I just got power in yesterday. So I got the power terminated coming in. And I have my first outlets in that actually work. And then the lights work right now. They're not finished because I just have them switched off the breaker. This wall's not done and I don't have light switches in yet. So, but I think lighting and color in this shop is a lot better than the old shop, just because that blue really washed out the camera coloring. So anyways, that's an update on what's going on here. We can see outside the trench for power. I'm working on the Isuzu pickup. I've been doing trailer repairs, all sorts of stuff. I've been recording stuff. I had to buy another hard drive for my laptop because of how much video I've recorded, but I just haven't been getting the time to edit like I need to. So, but I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I appreciate the new subscribers and I appreciate the support. Stick around. We'll try to do better at content. We'll get better at filming. And hopefully I can get better at editing. It's kind of hard and I'm not very good at it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for going on this journey with me. Have a great day.